Take some Vaseline. Vaseline has amazing properties. It heals, softens, and protects the skin. Just mix the toothpaste with Vaseline and you will be amazed. Take 1 teaspoon Vaseline. Add toothpaste in equal proportion with Vaseline. Add toothpaste in equal proportion with Vaseline. Mix everything well. Mix it well. Like this. This mixture perfectly relieves itching, inflammation, and pain. In case of burn or scratch, you can apply a little mixture to the affected area and you will quickly get rid of the problem. It can also be applied to itching area of the children's skin. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share.